Hey, what's going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're going to check out some really amazing styles in Midjourney 4. So the newest Midjourney is out, is the Midjourney 4, and I'm going to also show you how to access that. And basically they worked on a lot of new styles that look fantastic, so I'm going to show you those. So the first one would be the double exposure, where you combine two kind of photos. You have a portrait and then you have some other photo, for example, of a tree. In my situation, I used a cityscape. So this is the prompt. We got like double exposure of a ... You complete it here. I completed with the model, and ... You complete it here also. So I completed with a cityscape. And this is basically is going to combine two images together. Check this out. Next we have different kind of drawing techniques, and you know, the results are incredible. Look at these. And you basically need to type in here a line drawing portrait of a ... And then we have Plasticine. Now this is gonna make characters and portraits look a little bit more plasticky eventually. I tried to add the prompt like square pitbull just to see what happens, you know, and but they do look a little bit more plasticky. After that we got like 3D 32-bit isometric buildings. Look at these. These are these miniature buildings in isometric style. So I tried out with Candy Shop. I also tried out with the isometric castle. You just need to type in 3D 32-bit isometric castle. And look at these. Next, we have the prompt Ornate. I also combined it with letter M because I love letters. And here you can see that it created some incredible results from the get-go, because in Midjourney 3, when you have like these 4 examples, they look kind of washed away, they look unclear, distorted, and they basically have all kind of issues. But here in Midjourney 4, everything is really detailed from the 4 images that it gives you. Next, we got the low-res pixel art of a ... So I tried out with the unicorn. So check this out. It just does what you ask for. And then we got paper cut craft. And you type in whatever you want. I typed in the letter R. Now, this is not the best. Now, you might think that after remastering it, it's gonna get even better. Well, you need to test it out. And then you also have the op art, the optical art, optical illusions, you know. I tested out with Sphere. Now, I can remember that in Midjourney 3, I also tried out some optical illusions, op art, and it was disaster. So it couldn't do it, but in Midjourney 4, it seems like it gets like better and better. And as you can see, like I tried to remaster all of these. Now in Midjourney 3, after you upscale it, you know, the picture is gonna look kind of bad. So you need to remaster it in order to create a really high detailed and really clear image. So I thought in this situation, I also gonna need to push the remaster button because it's gonna create a better result. So I'm gonna show you what it did after remastering it. So check this out. This is the remaster. It's just made the quality even worse, which is really interesting because the first one, it looked way better. It kind of added more details, but the AI doesn't know what to do. So the same thing with the unicorn. You got the upscaled version, and this is how the remaster version looks. As you can see, it's not pixelated anymore. It looks really weird. Same thing with the letter N. After you remaster it, it just looks like a disaster. Now we got the 32-bit isometric buildings. This does look kind of better. Same with this, but you know, you need to test it out, see what's up. Also tried out the Plasticine pitbulls, but the square pitbull might be kind of confusing for AI. I didn't specify that much, so this requires like more testing. But check this out, we got the double exposure. I did remaster the double exposure, and look, it kind of messed it up. So you don't see any more those beautiful double exposure examples that I showed you, like in these scenarios. Like here, you know, I upscaled it, it looks really good, but after I remaster, I click on the remaster, it's gonna create some weird results. Here you can see the portrait upscaled. It looks fantastic. After I remaster it, it's gonna look kind of different. I'm gonna try to upscale this one and see what happens. I actually did upscale it, so this is the upscaled version. It's not the best like this version here. It's just a huge contrast. Okay, so how do you access Midjourney 4? All you need to do is type in /settings, click on enter, enter again, And up here, we got Midjourney 4, Midjourney 3, 2, and 1. And you can go with Midjourney 4. Click on it, and there you go. So this was it. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye-bye.